Hello everyone. My allergies are really acting up, so my voice sounds weird. Or I swallow a lot. I don't know. I'm just letting you know what's up with me. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. I have 3 collections for y'all, along with 2 foil bundles, a color of the week, and then also the 10-year add-ons, like a selection of different things that if you wanted to add those on to your 10-year kit, we have those. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. All of these will be released Wednesday at noon Eastern. Let's go through the 10-year items first. So these are all just different add-on items for the 10-year kit. So the first thing that you have is Doodle 1 and then Doodle 2. There is also Label 2 as well as Label 1. There is ombre and pattern, and then there is going to be all 6 of the scribbler options as well. So if you want to pick up any of those, I think there's still a few. Last time I checked, 10-year kits left. I think the last time I checked there was 30, so there's probably a little bit less than that, but there's still a few left if you want to pick any up. The color of the week this week, I wanted to do a purple, and this one is called Thistle. How I used to do color of the weeks is I'd find a color and then try and think of a name for it. But now I've been just like finding colors that already have names so that I don't have to name them. And I'm like, it took me over 100 color of the weeks to figure this out. Andrea. Why? So this is released Wednesday. It's on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. And it is so easy to be able to like pull out a color that fits your weekly kit that you're using and have different scribblers as well as doodles to match it. And light purple goes with so much, especially in the spring and summer, and even in winter there's a lot of light purple. So really love this color, and it'll be on special pricing again, like I said, from Wednesday through Sunday. And then we have the foil bundles for this week, which again are on special pricing from Wednesday to Sunday. They are, I think it's about like 30-ish% off or 20-something%. I think it's 30% off. Go ahead and show you these 2. It's going to be ice and matte bronze, but I thought this actually like really, like both of these colors really matched all of the kits this week, like really well. Like I think that they all would be a vibe, like these 2, you know what I'm saying? So that was my thought process on this, but this is the Pixie Dust foil bundle. It is new, so you have the 2 pages of full boxes and the glitter headers as well as the 2 boxes of the bougie, the icons and scripts, and then this one has the new kind of format with the whole reinforcers, and it's just a very, very pretty. It goes with so much. It's a little fantasy fairy tale-esque, but I think it could go with basically anything. And then, like I said, that's going to be coming in matte bronze and ice. Ice is a very popular foil color. A really nice light blue matches a lot as well. Like I think it would go really well with this kit, but it would also go really well with this one. And I just really love them both. So I figured let's release those this week since they match so well. The next kit here is called Perfectly Imperfect. All of these kits this week do come in Ultimate and Mini, of course. Will also come in that mini kit. So it has this freebie here, which is a tall box. So pretty. And then here are the full boxes. You have some fashion options in here as well as a bunch of different kind of like self-care, loving yourself type quotes and items. You have these really pretty colors. They remind me of a kit from like a really long time ago, but I can't really put my finger on it. I think it was like a spa kit. Super cute. Another fashion option here. Really pretty. Love the patterns being kind of just like really like soft and like almost marble-esque. And then you have the mirror here with the different like positive affirmations on it. Love this. So cute for whenever you're feeling kind of bleh one week, or maybe you're feeling kind of I'm awesome one week. It's dual purpose. So we do have this one here, and then let me show you the add-on options. So you do have Doodle as well as Doodle 2. There is Label, just a little order here. And then there is ombre as well as pattern, and then there is fam options for this. So we do have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as well as all 6 scribbler options. So that is Perfectly Imperfect. Then the next collection we have here is Stars and Moonlight, which is loosely based off of ACOTAR, like the, what is it called? my sick brain is not working. What is it called? Starfall ball type thing. Okay. So, yeah, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I think this would also be great for like a wedding. Could be great for a birthday. Could be great for an anniversary. Could be great for a wedding. Anything along the lines of that. I think this is like kind of dual purpose, or just could kind of be like a basic romance kind of looking kit. But yeah, loosely based off of that. And I went ahead and did the like faux glitter throughout. I thought it kind of just went with how much gold was in this. I also think, I was looking at different foil colors. I think also if you wanted to do rose gold with this, I think that the gold like still would look good. I think this would look really pretty with like the matte bronze and the blue like mixed together, but also would be really nice with like gold, champagne lights, matte, like I said, matte bronze, matte gold, even gold hollow would be pretty. I love this pattern and the way it looks with the faux gold throughout. It's really, really pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. Got your bottom washi, your date covers, and then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the different skin tone options for the hand holding the rose. There's fam options and such. I'm going to go ahead and show you those. But yeah, it's really pretty. Could be used for many different things. Don't know when I'm going to use it. I'm probably just going to save it for a moss release because I think that that just seems to make the most sense. Or it could be cute for like New Year's Eve because you have like the almost kiss looking thing here. So you got options. Let me know what you're going to use it for. So there's Doodle, there is Doodle 2, and then there is also the label sampler along with label 2, which is a really nice, kind of like it brightens the spread if you want. It's like a tan nude. You have ombre along with pattern, and then there is fam. So there's fam 1, fam 2, fam 3, fam 4, fam 5, and then fam 6. And then there is all the Scribbler options available there as well. So that again is Stars and Moonlight, and it will be available Wednesday with everything else. And then last but certainly not least in my opinion is TTPD, which is the Tortured Poet Department, which I have been obsessed with. I contemplated, which let me know what you think, of doing a foil bundle for Hannah's shop that is the Tortured Poets Department. Let me know if you need it. If you need it, I'll make it and she'll offer it and you can buy it in all the foil colors. But I was like, I don't know if I want to use this art. Like, I don't know. Do I need it? I don't know. Blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, wait, I do. So I kind of went a little different with how I laid it out. It was like kind of felt a little bit more mixed media than my normal like setup of things. And I kind of had fun. I like added like text in the background of some of them, like different patterns. And then this one I like made a background with like different colors, and I think it turned out really cute. So it isn't full grayscale. There is a little bit of warmth to the colors. So it's not like fully black and white. Do you know what I mean? So I think that like adds a little bit of depth to it. But I do think as far as foil goes, you could do like silver, you could do black. I think you could do matte bronze to bring out that like more like warm color. Like I was kind of thinking matte bronze, or you could do like matte silver. I haven't fully decided yet. I did like a font that looks like the Tortured Poets Department with different letters as deco. I thought that was kind of fun and different. Yeah, more boxes there. And then the patterns, I just went ahead and made my own. I did use like the colors that I wanted to use, and then I took patterns from the kit and made them like a lighter opacity, or like changed the like how it's like filtered on it. Sorry if you can hear like they're doing like landscaping work, so there might be like shoveling in the background. And then I also did 4 different songs that were like my favorites from the album on top with the Tortured Poets Department in all like caps. So I think it turned out really cool, in my opinion. And then you do have a little bit of the font in here as well. It's like very minimal, but you might be able to see it. Yeah, you can see it. And then the freebie and ultimate mini is just these scenes. That'd be great for quotes. Honestly, a lot of these boxes would be like really nice for quotes. So you got options. And we love to see it. Also, Hannah does have ACOTAR quotes in shop. So that would be cute for this as well, or do like custom ones. Again, you got options. Sorry, my throat's just killing me. Doodle 1, Doodle 2, label, ombre, the, what is it called? The pattern boxes. I just did what the patterns I made were with the text. I feel like you could put like anything over top of these realistically. And then the scribblers. So that is everything for this week. Also check out whatever I decided to put on flash sale. I don't remember what I did last week. Maybe I have it written down. The Groovy Quotes, I think, were on flash sale last week. They still are if you're watching this on Monday. If you want to pick any of those up. Also, don't forget that we're running out of time to purchase the May Mystery add-ons. These will be up until the last day of the month. And then on the 1st, they're going to switch to the June ones, which obviously have not been shown yet. So if you want to get your hands on those, I would definitely add those to this week's or maybe next week. Yeah, this week's or next week's order. It'll be good. It'll be good. But otherwise, that is everything for this week. Thank you so much for watching and putting up with my sad, sick voice. But yeah, otherwise I'll talk to you in the next one.